Marked for future, bilingual, kindergarten and primary school, music and technology major. English K3. Today in our kindergarten English lesson, we dove into the world of C, consonant words. Our young learners took turns writing on the whiteboard, mastering the sounds and shapes of the words like cat, cup and cake. Through engaging worksheets, they reinforced their understanding of how C can be soft in circle or hard like in car. It was a lesson filled with discoveries and smiles as they honed their language skills with enthusiasm. Can you make that sound? Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. And then we've got CR. CR. Cruck, cruck. Crown. Yeah, or crocodile. Or we've got chop, chop, chop. Chop. Okay, so C, H, chop, CL, CR, CH, and then we've just got C, A, car, or, yeah, okay. Now, somebody come up, like Gabriel, come on, man. Come on. I want you to write. Come on then. We'll go boy, girl. Yeah. Crown. Okay, so the first one is a car, so you write car here, okay? And then the second one is a canoe, so you write canoe, which is that top word there, okay?
Breakfast is the most important meal.